code 6021 will give you a Super Splendor bike. This is a popular bike in India, and you can even find this bike roaming around in the streets. Next is a code for a new colorful Jeep that was released recently, and it's 1190. At number 3, we have the Army Tank cheat code, which is 4040. And at number 4, the BMW car can be found using the code 8333. Finally, a Mustang GT car can be acquired by using the cheat code 8123. And those are 5 cheat codes that you can use on the Indian bike driving 3D game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.